To keep a fondant cake fresh for 2 to 3 days, all you have to do is cover the cake and store it at room temperature. Wrap it in plastic wrap and put it inside a cake carrier or box until you're ready to serve it. If your cake has perishable fillings or decorations, or if you're worried that your kitchen is too hot or humid, put the wrapped cake in a box and place it in your fridge. Either way, try to keep the cake from natural or artificial light, which can fade or change the color of the fondant. If you need to store your cake for longer than a few days, wrap it tightly with plastic wrap. Cover it with a layer of aluminum foil and place it in a freezer-safe storage bag or airtight storage container. Keep the cake in the freezer for up to 1 year. Transfer it to the fridge a few days before you're ready to eat it, so it has time to defrost.